Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a quiz to your YouTube video after it has already been uploaded. First, open YouTube Studio on your computer. Make sure you are signed into the correct account. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From here, click on the Content section. This will show you a list of all your uploaded videos. Now find the video in which you want to add a quiz. Click on that video to open its details. After that, look again at the left side menu and click on the Editor option. This will open the editing tools for your video. Inside the editor, you will see several options that you can add to your video. Look for the Quizzes section. Once you find it, click on it to start creating your quiz. Now you can enter your question and then add answers in the given fields. Make sure your question is clear and your answers are easy to understand. This will help your viewers interact better with your video. You can also choose where in the video the quiz will appear by adjusting its position on the timeline. Finally, click on Save Changes so your quiz is added to the video. Thanks for watching.